Hello everyone, welcome to this slime video, and here are the steps. So you will be needing a bowl and spoon, some contact solution, some baking soda, some optional glitter and dyes, and shaving cream, and most importantly, your glue. So now add 1 cup of your glue. Now, with your shaving cream, fill up your spoon twice with a little bit of a squirt of it. Stir until it gets a thick, nice, soft, and smooth texture. It will already feel like it's forming, even though it's not. Now it's time to add your dyes and your glitter. You should add your glitter here because if you add them after, the glitter might come out and mess everything up. Also, the dye might get on your hands and stuff. So now is the perfect time. As you can see, I am using blue. You can use any colors of your choice. Now you will mix and mix until all the glitter and dye soothes in perfectly, until you get a nice color. Now push this aside for a second and we will start making our activator. Take 1/8 of water and about 3 to 5 pinches of baking soda and mix that in. Now start to pour in this baking soda mixture a little bit at a time. Mix and mix it all together and add a little bit of your contact solution. If you do not have baking soda or contact solution, you can use borax. You would need to heat up some water and dissolve the borax by stirring it in a cup. Keep adding your activator and stirring it all together until you get a nice, consistent, smooth, slimy texture. You can also start adding a little bit more baking soda if you just need to, as well as the contact solution. As you can see, I am starting to net it a little bit, or knead it a little bit, because it is getting a lot thicker and more slime-like. Don't you just love those crackle-poppling sounds? Well, as you start to knead it and knead it, it will get a lot better. So keep doing this until you get a nice, actual good slime texture. Even though the glitter and dye might be messy, it's okay if you add a little bit at the end, which I am doing here right now. So as you can see, this recipe gets you a really nice slime. Thank you for watching. Bye!